I'm William Shatner, and this is Heartbeat of America. Our show focuses on corporate America, its stories, its drama, its breakthroughs. We'll be going out today to report on an organization that is impacting our lives and shaping our future. An organization that truly is the heartbeat of America.
In the 20th century, William Shatner took us off on a voyage into the universe to experience what life is like on other planets. But now, here in the 21st century, he is back to explore what life is like right here on our own planet. Now, this is all part of a series that we call Keeping America Strong. And as you know, part of Keeping America Strong is keeping our government agencies moving forward and staying in step with the times. And today, quite frankly, that is no easy task. Equipment and technology that were cutting edge just months ago are already out of date, leaving many agencies behind the times and unable to determine where every asset is, who has it, and how it's being used. So the question is, what can be done to help them? For the answer, we are going to be hearing now from our guest, who has developed revolutionary software in the wireless industry that is helping to take the government organizations into the future. And we're about to find out just what it is he does. What is it? What is the primary thing you do?
The primary thing that we do as a company is we go into government agencies, specifically communications, and we tag the assets. We take the assets that were at a time misplaced, unaccounted for,
right,
and we actually make an agency accountable. So we can actually tag an asset, put it into a software system, and track it via any wireless technology, RFID, GPS, and of course the whole service industry.
So now we're talking about, when we talk about assets, are most of these communication connected assets that we're talking about right now?
My father, Ted McMaster, developed some of the first interfaces for our country's phone companies.
Right.
And through that, we were able to transfer it to the government side. Now, we can take the device and reproduce the frequencies in the case of an event. Earthquake, 9/11.
Okay. Why does the government have problems? Well, not just government being a prime example, but I would imagine large corporate organizations would have the same kind of problem. Why do they have problem keeping track of what they own and what they have?
I think it's just the ability to, each government agency has the ability to write a check unencumbered for $2,500 or $10,000.
Right.
And rather than go try to find that laptop or that radio, they just order another one.
All right, let's talk about the way this software works, because it is a software program, and how it actually enables the government or whatever organization or entity is using it to keep track of it. And it really is, it's more than just keeping track. It tells what it's doing, where it is, who has it, the whole ball of wax.
That's right.
So it's very, very complete. Explain it to me.
Well, the completeness was a benefit from my father's original technology on his programming. What we're able to do now is, rather than putting all of this communications information on a specific radio onto an Excel spreadsheet, a Word document, we actually have an integrated accounting system for just assets and equipment. And the accounting system, the way in which we track it is we use a PDA device, or a symbol, a scanner. We scan it in, we log in who brought it in, we make them sign the order, so we have the signature capture, and so we know the last person that had it, and of course it's history. Real time in the accounting world is that when a transaction happens within the city, it's automatically sent to the main server so anybody can access the data.